Here are 5 must-ask real estate questions when you're on the hunt to buy your next home. I'm Keith Raven with Berkshire Hathaway Real Estate in South Bend, Indiana. Question number 1, home makeovers. Did the previous owners go all the way out with any fancy renovations, additions, kitchen makeovers, extra bedrooms, garage additions, or finished basements? You'll want to know what they did, when they did it, and how much it costs. No, you don't have to match their spending spree. After all, home improvements typically average just a 64% return when selling a home. But this information is great to have. Number 2, property taxes. Unfortunately, property taxes are like that sneaky surprise party that your home throws every year. You can usually spot the property tax history in the listing details, but if it's playing hide and seek, ask your trusted real estate agent what the taxes are. Taxes are based on the home's value and what township you're in. Number 3, the roof. How old is that roof over your head? A new one can cost anywhere from $6,000 to $10,000 or more. It's good to know when you might have to cough up that hefty chunk of change. Roofs are like old jeans. They don't last forever, and you want to avoid any unexpected breezes in your living room. Question number 4, HOA drama. Does this new home have any HOA restrictions? Will your guests be able to park in front of the home? Can you have a pool? Can you have a fence? Can you park in your driveway overnight? Before buying that home, make sure you're aware of any HOA restrictions in the neighborhood. And the final question, past sales history. Do you know when the house changed hands last time and what the current owner shelled out for it? You can usually find this juicy nugget of info on the MLS listing, or you can ask your agent. While it's fun to be nosy, remember that a home's real market value is like fashion. It's all about what's hot and trendy right now in the world of comparable sales. When you walk into a home that you're interested in making an offer on, you should dive into these questions. These are just a few of the essential questions to know so that you avoid surprises later on in the sales process. Want more information? Message me. I'm here to help.